Good morning. This morning you find me at Top Club here at Lodmore in Weymouth. I am at the Repair Cafe here at the Top Club. It goes on from 10:30 till 12:30, I believe. Just coming here to do a quick update. What we're going to do now is kind of what I call follow a fix. There's a gentleman brought a Bose speaker in to be fixed. Now let's join him and see how it goes.
With you, Kev.
Okay, thank you.
I will be back when it's all done.
Okay. Right, first thing to do is to try and get into it.
Yeah.
Now, it might be one of these things that...
Is it underneath? I can't remember.
There's various screws in various places.
They never make it easy, do they?
No, they're... the problem is these things obviously are designed by...
Goes back to the manufacturer, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know whether to give it a trial, but
Yeah.
it might frighten everybody in the room.
Gosh, it's that loud, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so it's probably...
Does it sound like anything like a resistor or something?
it could be because if you've got there'll be various preamps and things like that in there, and if you've lost the feedback, then it'll just sit there squealing.
Right.
Let's see. See what we get. Okay. Is it that loud? Is there an on or?
Yeah, where's the switch?
So that
It's so long.
is it down already?
We did a do in London. That's a like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes.
There we go. She came up, we was back to went back to her, she kept walking in front of the speakers and
Okay. Okay. Right.
no access, does it?
Yeah, so I'm going to take the back cover off here because I can see somebody's been in there before. Because I can see the screws, black screws have got a little bit of silver on the crosshead, so let's take that off.
Any electrical problems this morning?
Yeah. That's the usual stuff.
There's no voltage down there, so tracing back.
I want to sell it because
Right, yeah.
it's very good.
If I had a lot more time, then probably want to do a bit of research on because there'll probably be a
Online.
service manual
Yeah, that's right.
available somewhere on the net. But that's the split washer there. It's broken. Probably. Where's the last screw? What's the problem?
Yeah.
No, whether these feet are just screws for feet. I think they just hold the feet on, so it's not those screws.
Not those. No, I don't remember taking the base off.
You don't have to take the base off.
No, a bit late saying that now, but I couldn't remember where it was anyway. That plate, would that metal plate, would that come off?
Another look. It's a little odd to have a whole panel removed and then nothing to be blindingly obvious behind it. But
Which is generally enough. Sorry.
yeah. Screws that I can't see how they would release anything, but they're accessible, so I can take them out certainly, and we'll see where we go.
It's about
Okay, so this is the door.
new SD card basically.
Power this far because the motor turns. So
That little thing is faulty.
Is there quite a common thing for resistor goes to leave some sort of mark?
Yes, I mean, but then of course the thing you've got to always think about is if the resistor's gone,
Yeah.
what was the reason?
Yes.
Because of course, these things don't go just
right.
under normal operation. So, a spike of something down the mains inlet or something like that, potentially. I mean, no. If you can see, certainly if you can see charring on a circuit board, that's usually a sign of a flashover or something that's really,
Burnt out.
yeah, and unless the fault itself the fault that's caused that has gone, then
Yes, right.
it's, replacing it isn't going to help because it'll just blow again.
Yeah.
So, I'm not entirely sure.
she's making me wonder if it only works when it's
I mean, I've had it long enough now to be with no warranty.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it fails,
Something's moved while I'm doing this, so that's interesting. However, typically
You can plug this into a proper
it's the
speaker
right
system rather
screwdriver.
than being like you're going into a small
But I
tiny
think
laptop.
We're not short of heads here.
no.
Yeah.
That's an annoying that is.
You've got a big speaker system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. You can use an alternative head, can you?
Yeah.
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 That's the SD card. Well, if you write down what the SD card is,
Or
That was nice.
get one organised for all that. So I'm going to date you down.
and I've not had to open it up. Well, I had to open it up, but it's all low voltage, so it doesn't test it. Right, so there's your power cable back for you.
Most of my stuff's got to
Can't get access to it.
I'd always rather overspec storage than underspec storage.
it's not a work properly, just one of them working.
So no. Right, I'm going to give it to one of my ladies because we're going to do this time.
Well, I don't really booked it.
Said I don't have a
It's just more the
screw
case
extractor.
that
And
they
even
know
if,
that you can
even if I did, the fact that it is that solid
because otherwise what will happen is you might go to somebody else and you've got the
that's every screwdriver now. Just about even the flat plate that I tried to jam in there.
I do have an app on the account. I do it all for it. And then it's already going to town.
I know how feeling.
Head
Les fries are wet, Les
I recommend something along
That is really annoying.
brand. I've never had any major issues there.
In my workshop, at least then I can drill that out and see. I mean, obviously there's no promise of being able to mend it anyway.
No.
But it'd be interesting to see if we can find out why that's.
Yeah. Well, I'm happy for that, and I'm happy to pay. So
So we'll We might have to go down that route.
Yeah, yeah.
Having discounted this switch, I'm now back looking at this switch. I've just got some screws.
That's why I want to take it apart. So.
You need to allow us to have
Have you got something else that you use, or is this the only thing? Yeah.
I haven't got any gigs anyway.
How many gigs?
No.
Alright, well I'll put it back together for now.
That's all, no problem. Sorry I can't help you much this time.
What I'll do is we'll fill out a form, and we can take it home.
Yeah.
No, exactly.
And
Ooh, yeah.
I'll see what I can do over the next few weeks. If you're not that desperate for it.
No.
That's not bad, Kevin. I'm just going to give you to our lovely
Kevin.
Kevin when he's in real trouble.
Oh yeah. I suppose I should have had this on. I never put it on today. Right, date. 11th. 2nd, 3. Number 157. John.
Might be easier if you've got the manual that tells you
With an H. Repair telephone number. Well, I'm going to text by the repair anyway, so I can fill that later on. Here's the slip to take that sort of date is still the 11th. Yes, I'll. Here's the telephone number.
So, an unsuccessful fix on that Bose speaker. I think the repairer is going to take it home and fix it in his workshop over the next few days, a week. As I say, if you want to bring your stuff up to the repair cafe, I will put a link below this video, and just click on that and it will take you to the repair cafe, maybe Facebook or website. Alright, follow more of what I do here on YouTube by clicking on any of the links beneath this video. Alright, see you soon. Bye for now.